Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, parents. Today I'm going to show you the pronunciation of the song of this period. So, the name of the song is Yellow Submarine to Beatles. I'm going to start. In the town where I was born, lived a man who sailed to sea, and he told us of his life in the land of submarines. So we sailed up to the sun till we found a sea of green, and we lived beneath the waves in our yellow submarine. El coro. We are living in yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. We are living in yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine.